hospital due to recent issues with Tylenol. Each one of my teammates will take you through their project, and yes, they get their own because teamwork makes the dream work. So, Adam, how did you get so big? Like, what happened?
So due to the Mars bacteria, I'm just like pregnant now.
Okay, so ignoring Adam's miracle, my robots, Maze Runner Mach 1 and Maze Runner Mach 2, are the real MVPs. Their job, travel across Mars' rocky terrain without crashing every 5 seconds. One acts as a scout scanning for rocks and craters, while the other moves safely behind, adjusting its route. They are literally doing to each other like, hey, so move for that before you hit that crater. They share sensor data to find safe paths, just like NASA's real rovers. Together, they form a smart navigation system, exploring Mars safely and efficiently, because autopilot isn't just for Teslas anymore. Yes, they're already mapping the best spots for our future Mars hotel expansion.
Wait, Adam, what's so weird name, dude?
I love it so much.
No, it's cute.
What did you name it?
His name's Johnson Travion Davius. It's my turn. And the babies. My project's all about collecting soil samples to see if Mars has life or decent Wi-Fi. My robots, Crane and Tow Truck, work together like a Mars DoorDash team. The Crane scoops the dirt, Tow Truck delivers it back to space safely. They communicate so the samples don't spill, get lost, or eaten by space dust. This teamwork mimics NASA's sample return missions, helping us study Mars, soil, and minerals. These two, we can test for water or useful materials, so our future Mars residents don't have to keep flying to Costco Earth. Noah, come meet John Travion Savius.
No. Here you go, there's John Travion Savius.
So meet CageBot and Paintball. They're the clean freaks of Mars. Their job is to keep the solar panels running, and basically, CageBot is in front of Paintball, and he inspects the solar panels and makes sure that they're not damaged in any way. Then Paintball cleans them. That is to make sure that the power stays running, because if it goes off, then all of our oxygen cuts off. In order to avoid overlap, they also communicate constantly to avoid overlap. Teamwork makes the clean work. Mars dust storms are no joke, so keeping the solar panels in check is essential. So yeah, the robots are keeping the lights on and everybody's safe.
Here I have our wonderful CTO explaining our first project and actually how we're gonna move our rovers on Mars, basically to calibrate them, sort of. So, Cannon, can you explain?
Yeah, meet my little Mars rovers. Single sensor line follower and double sensor line follower. They're basically baby robots learning how to walk or, well, roll actually. They can drive forward, backward, spin like ballerinas, and even draw perfect squares and circles because their geometry is, how to survive in space.
Wait, it's not right.
What do you mean? He looks perfectly fine.
Oh, that's why. And then she goes,
And that's our Mission to Mars project. We use teamwork, coding, and too many robot sound effects to complete all the 4 projects. From learning on the move, exploring terrain, and even preparing our solar panels to be washed, our robots did it all. Thanks to Team Jackpot, Mars is one step closer to having working rovers and even managing maybe a daycare in the future for our little
John Travion Savius.
That's him.
that.